This is where we're up to. We've got our little guy, big guy he's called, and he can go left, right and jump. He only ever faces one way and he's only ever playing his idle animation, but we're getting there. So firstly, let's make this a bit more of a game. I'm just going to use this platform and duplicate it. If you hold down Control on your keyboard and drag, click and drag, you can make a whole bunch more platforms. So I'm going to take this one, put it at the bottom like that, and I can make a bit of a parkour-y kind of game out of make a little bit of a jumping puzzle. Now I'm going to just do this and show you one configuration we can do. At the moment, if I go over here and jump, I bang my head on that platform. You might like that style. I'm not sure I do very much. So we can configure this platform in the instance inspector, the properties over here. So if I go to edit object, we can see it's set up to be a platform and it's a normal platform. We can change that. Lots of different behaviors have got configurable properties. I'm going to make it into a jump through. So all of these are actually the same object. They're just this one object over here. They're all now jump throughs. So that might be gameplay that we want. I'm going to fix the animation and I'm going to do something about this space that we've got. So I'm going to change from being on the platform to being on big guy, and I'm going to edit him, and he's just a platformer object at the moment, but we can add multiple behaviors. And I happen to know, just by doing a quick search here, there's a platform character animator. And because big guy has got an idle and a run and a jump animation, it's going to make him work properly, displaying the correct animations, and it's going to make him face left and right as we move around. But that's not the only thing I'm going to do. I'm also going to add a camera. So the camera is going to follow him around the scene. So instead of just being fixed in the starter rectangle, we'll be able to have a huge world. I prefer to use the smooth platformer camera. It's set up to work with platformers really well. So there we go. Our big guy has got the platform character animator as well as the platform object, and it's got the smooth platformer camera, and it also has to put this in to make that work. Let's see what that looks like. So I've got my idle animation, but look, I'm facing right now. I'm using my walk animation, and as I move around the screen, the camera's following me, so I'm roughly central, so I can make this game as big as I want, even over here, maybe not there.